at him. Oh, he just hit his car.
Oh, clearly he has somewhere incredibly important to be. Who needs time management or basic safety when you can just convince yourself, I am Superman?
For U.S. citizenship, have backing of the Trump
If I was the cop watching this, I'd arrest both of them and put them in the same car together. This is two children both being ridiculous and creating chaos for other on the road.
Yeah, oh, he just threw a hammer at him.
Oh no, it's an axe. It's an axe.
He just threw an axe at him. Oh, he just hit his car. Yeah, Archer and Meade, you got to get here in a hurry.
Oh God, they're probably gonna.
He just rear-ended the pickup truck and his badge went off.
He's getting out. He's getting out. Oh no.
Oh, here we go.
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh, he's getting in his car now.
Oh, he's got.
Holy shit.
And his name is John C.
Everything ready. Get out, Tom. You gotta get out. Oh, he's gonna take off. Oh shit! He tried to run him. He just stole.
It is absolute chaos out there. These two are carrying on like the world has literally ended. You'd think the sky was falling based on this reaction. Anyways, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. It helps us a lot. It looks like the dump truck driver completely forgot the lower bed button exists. A lot of armchair experts say the dashcam driver should have honked to warn him, but clearly the driver was too busy ignoring physics. Miraculously, reports say he was safe and didn't incur any injuries, just a massive repair bill.
Start emergency field.
Something definitely happened beforehand. Not defending the silver car, they're a total moron, but this clip conveniently starts after the retaliation. We're missing the prequel. That's exactly why you need a dash cam, to catch the whole story. Check out the link in description. People like this need to lose their keys and their license forever. If your fragile ego makes you weaponize your car over a minor issue, you shouldn't be on the road. This is the perfect recipe for turning a small mistake into a fatal tragedy.
Eh?
Sika naman ang buong linigay.
Hindi naman alam ko. Lila mo ata.
Pero,
Ay, may tura lang po pala ganyan.
pero lugi itong guy.
Oo, pwede na pula sa agad eh.
I don't need a translator for this one. I'm fluent in adult toddler. They seem to think turning a traffic accident into a boxing match is a great productivity hack. Spoiler alert, it's not fixing the problem, it's just doubling the repair bill. Well, that's enough madness for one day. If you learned anything from this chaos, it's that you can't trust anyone else's driving skills or their temper. Don't leave your safety up to luck. Get yourself a reliable dash cam so you always have proof. I've linked the one I recommend in the description below. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe to our channel. Drive safe and I'll catch you in the next one.